I don't want to get stung, but I want to get a really good shot of these ground bees. There's one hole right there, and then there's a bigger one that I think Mother Nature made that they use. And I put a log on there just the other day just to see what would happen, and boy were they pissed. But they're not super aggressive because I am pretty darn close. They don't seem real happy, but they're not going after me, thank goodness. They didn't even bite the dogs until the dogs, oh, they're getting kind of moving they're getting a little bit further out. Anyway, they bit the dogs, but the dogs stuck their nose in the hole. And then, oh gosh, they're getting closer to me. The book said about, these are like the guards, these bees on the outside, and then about 3 feet down is a nest with about 5,000 bees, it said. Yikes. And a queen. And some places these bees are very aggressive. A friend of mine in Belgium says that they have to call the fire department sometimes. Her husband is a firefighter, and they have to get special suits and everything to take care of these bees. These kind of look like meat bees, maybe a little bit bigger. But I've heard bumblebees do it, and wasps do it, and yellow jackets do it, and I think honeybees, I'm not sure, and whatever these are. Anyway, that's my bee story. Believe it or not.